Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, I wanted to do a Canva challenge. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is create a simple business card design using Canva's templates. I could just go to File within Canva, New Design, and just type in business card. Okay, so we've got different business card sizes. I'm going to go for a regular rectangular one, just a simple rectangular one. And let's make it landscape. No, actually, I like the idea of a portrait one. Let's do that. So already Canva creates the design size for me, which is very handy. And this is a rounded one as well, so this could be quite cool. Okay, so we've got this now. I now need to look at different designs. I would basically come into the templates and see which one appeals to me. Let's have a look. Yeah, this could work. So we can do the back and the front. Okay, so we've got the front page and the back side of the business card. Okay, now I've got to change things. So let's imagine the person is a data analyst, right? So we've got to find things that are relevant to that. Data analyst is not the most exciting of things to add a design to, but yeah, let's try that. Let's see what depicts data analysis. I think numbers, I think Excel. Let me just go into the elements and type in analysis. Ooh. Hello. This kind of works. So I'm going to replace that middle image with this. So I'm going to just position it so it's about the same position. I'm going to cut it, select the one behind it, delete that, and then paste it back in. And then I think I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to move it back to the middle, sort of. I'm going to call it data for you. And then I'll put under there, analytics agency. Okay, so we've got that going. It's looking good. It's looking good. I'll leave the number the same. I will change the email address to info@dataforyou.com. I don't know if that domain actually exists. I'm just writing that. I'm going to leave the address the same. Okay, so this is looking good, but I don't really like the font being used right now. So I'm going to do a quick change. Let's see. I'm going to go to the text. Let's see what we can find here. Actually, if I go to, I believe it's design. If I go to styles, so go to the design tab and then go to styles. It can show me different designs in terms of colors and in terms of font as well. So let's try something. So as you can see, it's got different font sets. Let me move my face out of the way. Okay, I could try that and just click on one or two of them to see what it will look like with it. Okay, I feel like this is more legible than what we had before. So we're onto a good start. Ooh. I can't really, it's hard to read that. That looks a bit like anime, I'd say with that. Let's say, that's pretty simple. I actually like the one that we had earlier, which was Fredoka or Fredaka. I don't know. I think this works. Very simple. I will change the color of this though to match this color right here. So let's go into colors and change that. It matches a lot better. We've got the phone number, email address. Yeah, that's looking good. Let's look at the next page. Ooh, we've still got that. So let's replace it. I'm going to come here, copy, and then come over here and delete. Oh, paste it first, then move it into place. Then I'm going to cut it. So take it out of the way, select the one under, delete it, and then paste it back in. Fantastic. And then, ooh, I actually just need to copy everything. So let's do that. Or actually, you know what, let me just click here and then change it just by clicking on that. But I've got to change the text as well. So I still need to come back here. I'm just going to copy these. So I'm going to press Shift and select both of those elements. Press Command C or Control C to copy. Then go down here and paste. Okay, not quite in the right place, but we will handle that shortly. Okay, once I've got it into sort of the right area, I then cut it again, remove what's underneath, and then paste it back in. Really cool. Okay, now let's change the website to dataforyou.com. And there you have it in about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit over, I've created a nice business card. Obviously, you can change things around. You can add a bit more of a fancy design, but just like that, you have a business card created. Let me know what you think, and how would you design yours differently? In fact, do a video response to this and create your own. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.